Hey you guys, in this digest, Tesla becomes world's most valuable automaker, the long-awaited Tesla semi-production, and yet another Starlink launch. About Tesla. Last Wednesday, Tesla became the world's most valuable automaker with a price of $1,025 per share. It even surpassed Toyota. But this is mostly because almost all automakers have been suffering the last few months. Anyway, at the time of writing, Tesla shares cost $992, and it's difficult to forecast anything. Tesla launched a car-sharing feature, but so far only in the US. Now owners can give other people access to their cars by using their emails. They can install an app and use Tesla just like a regular owner. Before, owners had to share their account information. Tesla also upgraded its US Model 3. Just like Chinese ones, they now have wireless charging and USB-C ports. There's also a leak that says Tesla is planning to make a Model 3 with 100 kWh battery packs and a range of 640 kilometers. This information comes from a Tesla hacker who found this in factory mode. But that's all just plans, and here's reality. Now Model S long range has a range of 647 kilometers, and we're talking about cars that were coming out of the factory since February. Looks like Elon was right saying EPA has made a mistake during tests because there were no changes to the car since then. A made-in-China Model 3 has passed the crash and safety test in China Insurance Automobile Safety Index Management Center. Tesla scored general for the low-speed structure collision but got excellent results for the side impact and roof strength tests. Meanwhile, Chinese Tesla department lost its vice president of business development, Robin Ren, who worked for the company since 2015 and helped to get Gigafactory Shanghai a construction permit. His reasons for leaving are not clear, but he updated his LinkedIn profile, so well, I guess 5 years with one company is long enough. Anyways, it all happened just after Tesla's got an official permission for Model 3 production in China with cheaper LFP batteries that have no cobalt. They also have less capacity, but Tesla's partner CATL is apparently making progress on that front. Tesla started to take design submissions for its upcoming electric car made in China. Remember Elon saying that I'd like to make a car with local designers? It appears you don't even have to be a car designer, just live in China. From China to Canada, that's where Tesla Model Y deliveries have started. Seems like no production delay in Fremont could stop the company from expanding into a new market. We don't see the smiles behind the masks on the photo, but their eyes say they're pretty happy. Despite Model Y production problems, Elon is optimistic and is telling his employees to start Tesla semi-production. He says it's been in limited production so far, and I mean it's probably very limited since we've only seen 2 prototypes. But now it's time to bring semi to mass production. Batteries and powertrain will be made in Nevada, other parts in other states. Where might that be? They say Tesla and Travis County are discussing the terms for the Gigafactory Cybertruck. No doubt Texas is the new home for the factory now. A Tesla driver YouTube channel showed how Model 3 autopilot is handling the road. Tesla autopilot is all grown up now. Seems like it was just yesterday when it couldn't handle a simple lane change. About Tesla Energy. Tesla started to contact clients who placed a deposit for a solar roof. But don't get too excited, those are not good news. The company sent a letter to its Oregon and Michigan clients saying their warehouse location would make it difficult to provide service to the clients, so they have to cancel the order. Sure, some owners are upset that it took the company 3 years to get there. They would get a refund within 10 days. Tesla is now officially approved as an electricity generator, like an electric utility in the UK. It's not clear why though. The company doesn't deploy solar power in the UK, but we might hear something soon enough. Meanwhile, an electric company, TransAlta from Canada, decided to use Tesla Megapacks for battery storage at some of their renewable energy production sites. They aim to bring Megapacks online by the end of the month. About Boring Company. As soon as one casino asked the Boring Company to connect them to the convention center, as another casino decided to join. Resorts World Las Vegas is the new casino launching next summer, and they asked to join the Loop project. If approved, the construction will start this year. Looks like the Boring Company is taking over Las Vegas. About SpaceX. This week, SpaceX showed us the rare footage of a fairing deployment sequence during Starlink's 7 mission. Looks a bit odd, but still awesome. Seems like Starlink missions now launch practically every week, like on Saturday when 58 Starlink satellites and 3 small SkySat satellites were launched during Starlink 8 mission. The booster flew for the 3rd time and landed on the Of Course I Still Love You platform. This time there was no static fire test beforehand. The ships didn't catch the fairing halves, but were safely recovered from water. And of course, Boca Chica news. SN5 is waiting for tests. SN6 is on its final stacking in high bay, and SN7's test tank achieved 7.6 bar during pressure test that was intended to check the quality of new seam welding method. According to Elon Musk, nitrogen leaks are better than explosions. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.